Hello friends, welcome to MySQL. In this session, we are going to see how we can start MySQL terminal and how we can create our table and how we can insert the rows inside that particular table. So this is my Ubuntu terminal. So let's first start the MySQL database. So to start the MySQL, the command is MySQL. After that, you have to put one space, then dash U. After that, you have to give one space and then root. After that, one more space, then P. So the command to start the MySQL is MySQL dash U root space dash P. So it will ask me the password for my root. So let me give my password. I have given my password, pressing enter. So now you can see it has started the MySQL server. So the first thing is you have to create a database, because if you are giving if you are creating any table, then you should use any database. So let's see what all are the databases that are available inside MySQL by default. The command to see the databases is show then databases. Show databases is the command to get the default databases that are available inside MySQL database. So you can use any of these databases, but if you wanted to create your own database, you can create using the query like create then database and after that the database name. So let's see, my database name is database 1. I'm pressing enter after my semicolon. So now you can see my database is created successfully. So let me execute show databases command again, and now you can see it is displaying database 1 because I have created my database as database 1. So our next task is how we can create the table inside any database, because we have created a database by the name database 1. So let's use this database to create our queries. To use this database, the command is use then database name. So our database is database 1. To use database 1 semicolon, press enter. So now I am using database 1. So all my queries would be created inside this database. So if I wanted to see any particular table, then the command is show tables. Show tables would give you all the tables that are available inside this database. But as we don't have any table, so it is saying empty set. So let's create a table inside this database. To create a table, the command is create table then table name. So let's say my table is table 1. After that, you have to give the schema of your table. So let's see id, and it is an integer type. And how many characters it can take? Let's say it can take 6 characters. Then I have name. Name is, let's say, varchar type. Varchar is used if you wanted to give your name with integer as well as string value, and the name would be, let's say, 30 character. Then I have salary, and salary is also an integer type and it can take 10 digits. Then I have email, it is a varchar and it can take 50 character. So I'm closing my schema and now semicolon, and let's press enter. So now you can see I have created my table successfully. So if I press show table command again, then it will give you show table, then it will give you table 1. So show tables. Now you can see it has one table inside this database. So if I query this table, select star from table 1, that is how you can query your table, then it will show you nothing because you have not inserted any value. So let's insert a value inside this table. So insert into table name, that is table 1. After that values, and the value of what type, like my first value is id, so let's say 101 because it is a integer type. So my name is varchar, so let's give it as a string type, so let's give it as Sam. The third one is salary, so salary is, let's say, $10,000. After that the email, so let's say email is abc@abc.com and it is a string type, so let's put it in the single quote. Now let me close the braces, semicolon, press enter. Now you can see the table got the data inserted successfully. So if I execute my query, that is select star from table 1, then it should show the detail of my table. So now you can see my table got the value and it is displaying on the screen. So in this session we have seen how we can create the database, how we can use the database, after that how we can create the table, and how we can insert the data into the table. Thanks for watching this session.